Okay, a very good afternoon, a very good evening, or a very good morning, or maybe just good day, my dear students. So, this is my first vlog on the general physiology and toxicology. So, as mentioned, this would be just a lecture review blog. So, meaning to say, I'm going to help you review the discussions on your module, of course, in general physiology and toxicology. So, this is Miss RCM, so short for Miss Rosel Kulanag Miparano. So, Rosel for R, or R for Rosel, then C for Kulanag, and M for Miparanum. So again, this is just the first part of the vlogs that I'm going to make in this subject. Okay, so since this subject is a very long one, so it is subdivided into two main topics. So let us first tackle insect physiology. So, what is really insect physiology? According to Cotillius of 2014, when we say insect physiology, it deals with the functional properties of insect tissues and organs. So, this is essential. So, an understanding of this insect physiology is really essential on understanding also on how these insects live and how they can be controlled. So, as an agriculturist, as an agriculture student, you my dear student or students, it is really important for you to know their physiology or their basic processes, life processes, for you to understand them better and for you to identify which insect is a beneficial one and which is a pest. So, in case they are a pest organism, then understanding their physiology would give you a great advantage on how and when are you really going to control this insect pest, right? Okay. So, but before we're going to really proceed on the thorough discussion of how these insects grow, develop, how they reproduce, let us first review the morphology of insects by viewing the basic structure of an insect's body. So, since insects are arthropods, given they have segmented body and all, so let us first review the primary, or let us say the major body regions of an insect. So, an insect's body has three body regions. So, which are, the first one is the head. So, the head is considered as the sensory region. So, why? Because most of the sensory organs could be found on the head. So, just like the compound eye, the ocelli or the simple eyes, then the labrum, the antenna, and so on and so forth. Okay, as for the next region, so it would be the thorax. So thorax, if head is known as the sensory region, thorax is the locomotory region. Why? Because in this region, you can find both wings and legs, wherein it aids the insect for locomotory. Okay, wings can make them fly, legs can make them jump, walk, and so on and so forth. So, for the legs, there are also different segments of the legs. So, which are the coxa, so the trochanter, the femur, the tibia, and of course tarsus. Then in this thorax, so this region where you can find two pairs of spiracles. So this is where the spiracles are located. So usually, or actually, spiracles are located mostly in the abdomen of the insects. But in the thorax region, especially in the metathorax and mesothorax, the mesothorax, or the second segment in the thorax, and the metathorax, the third segment in the thorax, so where you can also find these spiracles. Okay, two pairs of spiracles, and the rest would be found in the abdomen, in which this abdomen is the third body region of the insect. So abdomen is considered as, of course, the reproductive region, or it is for reproduction. So if head is for sensory, thorax is for locomotion, then abdomen is for reproduction. Okay, it's because it is where you could find the genitalia of the insects. So as for how they grow, for how they develop, and of course, detailed or thorough discussion on how these insects reproduce, so let us tackle them on the next video. So do not forget to like, to subscribe, and of course, to share my video vlogs, and of course, please ring your bell for notifications of the next uploaded video. So again, this is Miss RCM. So, and this is my first video presentation on the general physiology and toxicology. Thank you very much, and till next time. Bye-bye.